guys, how are you? Guess where we are? Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa The Grove in LA. Andito, maganda dito during Christmas, magandang pasyalan to guys. And we came here today para mapasyal namin kayo. At saka once a year we come here. Kasi sa LA to guys, medyo malayo ito sa bahay namin kasi Orange County kami. Tapos ito, LA County. So, ito yung itsura niya. This is really nice. Ang daming shops dito. Tapos, mamaya mas maganda pa to pag madilim. Because makikita niyo yung lights. Kasi yung mga trees dito, tatad siya ng lights. And if you've been watching my vlogs for a while, last year nandito rin kami ni Austin. Tapos yung dulo doon, mga shops and farmer's market. So, ayan. This is what it looks like. Anyways, I hope everyone is doing good. Hopefully, nag-ready na kayo for Christmas. So, ayan guys. So, ito yung tree nila guys. Ang taas-taas. And guess what? It's real. Hindi siya plastic. I just went over there. Tinouch ko yung leaves kasi I was like curious kung artificial siya or real. It's real. Ang laki. Saan kayo sila nakakita ng ganyang kalaking tree? It's so huge. Austin, it's real.
My Wetzel's Pretzels.
My Wetzel's Pretzels favorite ni Austin. So anyway, punta kami dito guys sa sa walking area nila dito. So ayun no, Apple Store. Yun, Apple Store. And Nordstrom is over there. And I don't know kung ano yung pinipilahan nila. Pero, ayan guys. Buhay na buhay to compared to saan kami namasyal ni Austin last week. Dun sa German village na yun. Mali pa yung punta namin if we went there on a Saturday. Mas marami palang happenings doon. Kasi nakita ko sa ibang vlogs. Pag Saturday pala doon, ang daming vendors. So, ayan. So guys, punta na kami sa farmer's market and this is what it looks like. Ayan. It's really fun here. If you ever visit California, tapos may kamag-anak kayong banda sa LA, magpapasyal kayo dito sa The Grove. And then punta kayo dito sa nila, sa market area nila. Ang daming mga vendors, ang daming food. Ang sarap. So, ayan. So guys, ito na yung inside the farmer's market. And itong section na to, ito yung mga sandwiches and coffee. And yan, masarap yan. Yung Fritzy Coop, I ate there last year. So, ito, ayan. Coffee, donuts, drinks. And then, if you go straight over there, andun na yung mga vendors for chocolates, for popcorn, for clothes, everything. Tapos, ito, ano ba to? Yan. Nag-tour tayo. We're like walking. Ayan, yung mga pastrami. Oh my goodness. I love pastrami. Yeah, we've tried this. Ayan yung corned beef. Gusto mo, Austin? Ayan. So, ayan guys. This is what it looks like. Ang saya talaga dito. Too bad. Malayo lang talaga sa house namin to. Tapos sa traffic pa coming here. Pero it's worth it naman. Pero mostly during the holidays kasi para merong Christmas tree at saka mas maraming vendors. Ayan. So I think Austin wants to go and yeah, have that. O sige, kita mo, tindahan ng Panay hot sauce. Iba't ibang klaseng hot sauce all over the world. And then they have, I think, I'm not sure if these are Cuban empanadas. So ayan. Mukhang masarap. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go ahead and buy some stuff later on para iuwi sa bahay. Kasi malayo nga to. Oh look, different kinds of honey. Kasi nga diba, malayo dito. Kaya kailangan, kung may magustuhan ka na, bilhin mo na. Kasi this is like an hour to an hour and a half drive in traffic from our house. So yan. Ang ganda. Look at all the popcorn per pound. Ay, nako. So much fun here talaga. Kaya like I said, if you ever visit LA, tapos may kamag-anak kayo, dito kayo magpapasyal and then eat here. Yan. Ayan. Gusto ni Austin yung part na yan kasi dessert. And then, pero si Austin tinitingnan niya empanada. I think he wants to try it. Alam niyo guys, dito sa The Grove in LA, marami ditong mga magaganda at saka mga pogi. Parang mga showbiz yung mga itsura. Kaya kanina naglalakad ako, ang dami magagandang mga babae. Ang tatangkad, tapos saka sexy pa na Austin, no? Pati yung mga lalaki, ang handsome nila. So anyways, I think Austin wants to try this. So just wanted to show you yung itsura ng market nila dito, ng farmers market nila. And then since dumidilim na, pabalik tayo dun sa main area. Ayan. So guys, andito kami sa Empanada House na Cuban, and there's Austin. And then we bought, Austin, can you open it for them? So we bought chicken mushroom with cheese and cheeseburger na empanada. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Mukhang masarap, guys. Ayan. Yung tina-try ni Austin ngayon, guys, is yung cheeseburger. Anong lasa?
Ano? Parang may ground beef.
Ah. Tapos
Parang
yung...
aros yung loob.
Pa-try ko nga. Pa-try. Tapos try mo yung chicken mushroom. Ayan yung laman, guys. Ang katito niya. Mmm. Sarap, no? And it's like $6 for isa. Ayan. Saan muna tayo dito before we go back sa Main Street. And itong place na to, they sell pies. Different kinds of pies. Oh my gosh, I love pies. Laki niya yung mga pies na ganyan. Yung may mga with cream sa top. So look at that. Muffins and pies. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Ano na tayo? Punta na tayo sa Main Street. Austin, meron kang gusto? Ayaw mo ng banana cream? Ayan, may coconut cream pie. Ayan. Si Austin nakakuha ng free hot cocoa sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. So they're giving away hot chocolate sa mga tao dito. And then I think they have like a show. It's right there. So, ayan. Did you want to go walk over there? Or you want to see the show?
I want to see it a little
So ayan guys, andito na kami sa labas. Look at this guy's dog. Look at sweater pa. It's so cute. Ala, what's going on? So cute. It's like we're friends. So cute. So ayan guys, let's cross the street. Let's go na dun sa main road na maraming lights. Anyways, I was just wondering kung ano na yung mga happenings niyo sa Philippines. Kung namamasyal na ba kayo. See, mas maganda na siya, no? Kasi kanina when we got here, wala pang ilaw, Austin, kasi may araw pa, right? Tapos ngayon, as you guys can see, ano na siya? Andiyan na yung lights. guys, ano na, magbababay na kami. I just wanted to show you yung Christmas tree. Ayan, this is real. Ang ganda, no? May ilaw na siya. At saka later, around 7 o'clock, which is like 45 minutes from now, they're gonna have like a fake snow na magsusnow banda dun sa water fountain. But I don't know if we're gonna wait for that kasi nakita naman namin na yun. So anyways, I just wanted to say thank you very much. Advance Merry Christmas. I just want to say na-appreciate namin kayong lahat na nanonood sa amin. And thank you for all the kind words, all the engagement. We really appreciate it. And I hope maganda yung maging Christmas ninyo at saka yung pasok ng 2026. Concentrate on the good, be grateful, and be stress-free, and don't worry too much. Life is short, and nandun si Austin. So again, thank you very much ha. I just wanted to show you guys kung saan kami nagpunta today. Kasi maganda talaga dito sa The Grove of LA. So again, if you ever have any relatives na taga dito, and then you're visiting during Christmas, dito kayo magpapasyal. Kasi mag-enjoy kayo sa farmer's market at saka sa mga stores nila. Anyways guys, thank you! Bye! Austin! Say bye to everyone! Say bye-bye ka!
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Bye guys! God bless! Thank you! Guys, pahabol, naabutan namin yung fake snow show nila. So, it's right there. Buti na lang hindi nagbabubble yung water. Kasi diba, that's made out of soap.